Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching White Peacock Arts. I know it's been a quite long time I haven't posted any art video, but hey, I am back with another art tutorial, and today's tutorial is going to be about clouds with acrylics. We are going to use acrylic medium and we'll learn how to paint clouds. Let me tell you, I've been very obsessed with cloud painting lately, and I brought you this tutorial just to help you guys learn how to paint clouds. And without wasting any time, let's jump into today's painting. Before we begin with today's painting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. And we are going to paint on an 8" by 8" canvas panel, and we are going to cover the base with sky blue color. And to get this beautiful blue, I am mixing titanium white with cobalt blue and a little bit of yellow ochre. So we get this beautiful blue, and I'll be applying this on the canvas. And as you can see at the bottom, I have used titanium white because I want to make it very light at the horizon. And also on the bottom 1/3 we'll be creating a beautiful sea. As you can see near the horizon, we have kept the shade lighter, and the top of the sky is darker. So now you can see I have taken dry brush and took some paint on it, and I'm just marking out the areas, the shapes. These are just the random shapes. There are no particular shapes for the clouds. When you observe real clouds, you will see that they don't have a particular shape. So in order to get that shape, we need to use our dry brush so that it fades at the edges and we don't get any sharp edges. So this is just my outline, and now I'm going to create shadows, because in order to create a realistic cloud we need to create shadows that are the darker areas and also the highlights that are the bright areas. So to get the depth, we are using this gray tone, and for creating this gray tone I have used titanium white and a little bit of ivory black and a little bit of blue. So you can see I'm again placing the color on the clouds. Basically I am putting this under the clouds. So to get the puffy clouds, we have to work in more than 2 colors, and I'm using titanium white, this gray color, and also I'll be using titanium white mixed with yellow ochre. So now I am creating highlights. These are the parts that will have the brighter tones. And make sure while you are using the colors, your brush is dry. So the key tip for painting clouds is that you have to loosen up your wrist so that brush strokes are soft at the edges. As you can see, I'm holding the brush from the back. Don't put pressure on the strokes. Just loosen up your technique and you will get the desired results. So you can see I have left the clouds to dry completely before moving on to the next layer. I have started painting the ocean, and I've just given a flat blue color on the ocean. So I have again switched back to the clouds, and this time I'm creating more depth. So the key lies in what you observe from your surroundings, and you try to bring that realistic thing in your painting. It all depends upon the highlights and the shadows that you create. So if you are new to my channel, let me tell you that I also paint in watercolors. In my future videos, I'll be showing watercolor clouds. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my art video, you get the notification. And if you are liking this video, you can also hit the like button. You can share this video with your friends and family who love art. So now you can see I have used yellow ochre to give some more depth. Using titanium white directly on the upper edges. So if you are looking for a complete landscape painting in acrylics, I am giving a link in the corner. You can go and check that painting. It all depends upon the practice. The more you practice, the more you will learn by yourself. I am going to create a simple sea just by adding some highlights in it. I hope you will try this painting by yourself, and you can also purchase my artwork. I have given the link of my shop in the description. You can visit my Facebook and Insta profile for more painting ideas. So I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, keep painting.